Now, the VMware story has 3 chapters. Chapter 1, virtualization. Chapter 2, private cloud, or the software-defined data center. And Chapter 3, where we are now, modern applications and multi-cloud. Now, our customers can build, run, manage, connect, and protect all applications, old and new, to and from any cloud, delivered to any device with zero trust and intrinsic security. So the information is as secure on the endpoints as it is in the data center. Now, applications are the driver for clouds, and multi-cloud means that these applications are distributed across many or several clouds. We have the private cloud in the data center on-prem, or the public clouds such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, and so forth. Now, this creates even more silos than before. Risk, complexity, high costs, less control, removes customers' focus on their core competencies. At VMware, we build a modern private cloud on-prem that we stretch into the public cloud and to the edge, while maintaining complete control over security, costs, and compliance. And because we have the same foundation no matter where we are, we remove silos and we have control over the application, the data, and also resources. And we call all this Cross Cloud Services. And it consists of 5 parts: application development platform, cloud infrastructure, cloud management, security and networking, and digital workspaces and edge. Now, the whole reason for companies to go to the cloud is because they can quickly build modern applications with the best solutions in the market. But it's no longer enough to be cloud first, we have to be cloud smart. How do we get all the benefits of the cloud without increasing risk and complexity? Well, we have to have the right architecture. We need to standardize. We need to have choice and flexibility. And for example, by standardizing on application development is super important and key, which brings me to my first point of Cross Cloud Services, or the first part, and that is our application development platform. With VMware, our customers can build applications faster, update them often, and manage them with Kubernetes across all clouds. And we bake this into our virtualization technology, which 95% of the market knows and trusts. And it creates the perfect balance between developers and operations. So we have DevOps, and we wrap it all in with intrinsic security, so we have DevSecOps. Then part 2 is cloud infrastructure, which is VMware Cloud, and this is the foundation that is everywhere on all clouds. And it consists of 2 parts. Part 1 is what we call Cloud Foundation, which is compute, storage, and networking. And the second part is our cloud management. So the intelligence on top that gives us this self-driving data center. Which brings me to point 3 of our Cross Cloud Services, which is cloud management. We can monitor, control, and manage costs, performance, and capacity across all clouds, which is super important and super key because it removes all complexity. And then fourth, we have security and networking. So we secure and connect and secure the entire multi-cloud operation. So we can roll out security and compliance policies across all clouds, which removes a lot of complexity. And the 3 biggest use cases are microsegmentation, automation, and disaster and ransomware recovery. And then lastly, 5th, we have digital workspaces and edge. So we can give users access no matter application, device, identity, location, with complete enterprise security. And we can roll out and manage at edge, branch offices, home offices, production sites. Now, the benefits of VMware Cloud and Cross Cloud Services are, it's the fastest way to cloud. We remove all complexities. We can roll out, we have security and cloud management across all clouds. So it's not multi-cloud and multi-silos, it's multi-clouds with the same infrastructure tools and workflows. Now, traditionally, companies, they have to choose between freedom or control. It's either freedom for the developers to do what they want, and then that leads to, very often, leads to shadow IT, high uncontrollable costs, or we lock it down. They have complete control over complete choice, free choice of cloud, or no choice because of costs. Or the users have, they're free to choose whatever tools they want to work with, or we choose security and lock it all down so there's no choice. With VMware, the developers have complete autonomy at the same time as we have efficiency, self-service, and security. There's freedom of choice to use any cloud with cost control. The users can use any tools they want, as well as we have complete enterprise security. The power of and. Now, our value proposition is simple. We enable our customers to go fast, spend less, and be free to choose, work with the best solutions in the market with no complexity and no lock-in. So be free, please contact me or your local account team, and let's talk about how Cross Cloud Services can benefit your organization. Have a great summer.